Today we're at Davis Physical Therapy. We're shadowing the documentary crew that's doing a story on them, as well as learning about the cool state-of-the-art equipment that they have here.
Are you sweating?
A little bit.
All right. This exciting opportunity literally came in one day, checked my voicemail, and there was a message from a producer from a show called The Viewpoint with Mr. Dennis Quaid, asking if we'd be interested in participating in a documentary.
My name is Andres Castillo, and right now I'm doing DP work for WBC Productions, and we're filming for a show called Viewpoint around the US.
And my son, who goes to our local high school, Shawnee High School, is involved in film production. He's on the TV Shawnee's Morning Show, and he's been very much interested in the business, entrepreneurship, as well as film and TV. So for me to be able to bring this type of an event to our town and then invite the local high school to bring their kids in to see what a actual documentary filming looks like was pretty exciting, and I was happy to be able to do it.
I was responsible for directing and leading the group of filmmakers and film students that came with us to film the behind-the-scenes stuff.
The field trips that we run in creative digital media and the upper video classes connect directly to the class hands-on. Today especially, we are operating camera, we are meeting with professionals and discussing their audience, the needs for their media, talking about what their clients might need to see, and then how we can develop that content for their specific audiences.
What I found the most interesting is that we had some of the similar equipment. So even though you guys are in school and I'm working, it's amazing to see how we match in some of the things and how you may do it differently. And I took some advice from what you were doing, and even though I am on quote unquote the professional filming, it felt like we were at the same level.
This field trip kind of shows what we're all about at Shawnee TV and media broadcasting classes, and it's just hands-on learning experience. It's getting you into the thick of it and helping you produce content that you can actually be proud of and want to show off to people.
The Creative Digital Media program at Shawnee High School offers 3-year tracks in film and television production or photography. The first year of Creative Digital Media is a broad overview of film and television production, photography, and graphic design. The goal of Shawnee's Creative Digital Media program is to further students' pursuits in either college or any entry-level career in their chosen pathway.